When we talk about 1" by 6" sharpening stones, we usually think of guided systems. But this format can be incredibly effective for freehand sharpening. And today, I'll show you why. Let's go. So, the 1x6 format is a compact and slim stone. It's often used with guided systems. There are many other models too, like those from Fallkniven or Spyderco. But when used freehand, it reveals another potential. Let me share the many benefits of using this stone format. First, the price. Small format stones are much cheaper than full-size ones, especially true for diamond or resin-bonded stones. It's a great way to build a full set without breaking the bank. Second, dual use, freehand and guided systems. If you already own a guided system, you can use these stones with it, but also freehand. If you want to learn freehand sharpening, or just maintain your edge quickly without setting up a full system, they're ideal. Third, better technique and faster progress. With a small stone, you can't cheat. You must control your movement, your angle, your pressure. The smaller surface forces you to work slowly and precisely. This builds good habits, and that's key for progress. And when you move on to larger stones, it will feel easier because you trained on smaller ones. Fourth, better feedback under the blade. Because the surface is smaller, you can really feel micro snags or inconsistencies in the edge. You develop real tactile sensitivity, essential for freehand sharpening. Fifth, mobility and space saving. A pouch with 3 or 4 stones in this format fits easily in a case. You can carry them anywhere and do quick sharpening sessions. They're lightweight, compact, and effective. Sixth, easy maintenance, especially with resin-bonded stones. From time to time, you'll need to resurface them to expose the diamonds. With smaller stones, maintenance is quicker and simpler. Cleaning and flattening are fast. It's super practical. Seventh, wide variety of brands and grits. Today, all the major brands make 1x6 stones for guided systems, and they offer a wide range. Naniwa, Shapton, Venev, KDTU, TSPROF. You name it. You can build a high-quality set based on your needs. People often ask me, what stone should I start with? I recommend a coarse stone, around 240 to 400 grit. Japanese grit, for damaged or chipped edges. A medium stone, around 1000 grit, for regular sharpening. And a finishing stone, around 3000 grit, to refine the edge. The key is to take your time, work slowly, and focus on your motion. That's where progress happens. And if your budget allows, you can always try different stones and grits based on your goals. So, in conclusion, are small stones good for freehand sharpening? The answer is yes, even more than you might think. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried sharpening with small stones? And I don't mean a quick touch-up. I mean full sharpening. What's your favorite stone? I'd love to know. If you have questions about this topic or sharpening in general, leave them below. I'll respond. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and I'll see you very soon for the next one.